Hey guys, back here from another video. Today we're going to play I don't know what it's called. But I don't know. But I probably played this before, but someone in the comments told me to play this, and it's this guy. His name used to be Slowpoke Homie, but now he changed it in accident. So he said he wanted to play that game. So now we're here playing the game now. So let's get right to it. Press play. What? Oh, coming soon. Oh wait. Jeez, that is hard. I keep on messing that part right there. Oh my god. Yes. How is this possible? First, I'm gonna do practice mode. Wait, I'm gonna pause it to the ad. Sorry, that was an ad. I'm gonna do practice mode. Oh, I want green. That's my favorite color. Like that. Okay. I want that right there. No, I want this one. Okay. Or it could be, yeah, like that. No, what? I don't know how to do this though. Leave in the comments below what I have to do and what level are you in. So, if you comment in one of my videos, I'll answer them, or if you say like I subscribe, I'll answer certain things. And if you subscribe me, then I could subscribe you. So when people subscribe me, like I subscribe them. They have to comment in the video. Keep on messing that part up. So you're very practice mode. The music's peaceful in the practice mode. part. Oh yes, finally. Practice complete. That practice was easy. This is really hard. No! I need to practice it a lot. So I'm gonna do a lot. I'm gonna be doing a lot of parts on this. No! I was so close! No, I was so close, you guys. This game is just so hard. So this is challenging. I already had that game, but I took it off. No, my brother has that game. I don't know why. This is gonna be so hard. So I'm not gonna talk in this part because the music made me loud. Like if you want me to do like if I see like 2 thumbs up, then I'll make another part of it. Yes, you guys, I passed it. I passed. Challenge breaker. I did this for 3 minutes. I attempted this 16 times. This is challenge breaker. I finished that now. I'm in the next one. Let's see what this next one looks. What the heck is this one? I'm confused here. I'm confused here. What do I do? I'm gonna do a lot of practice on this one. Are you serious? It's telling like if I see an X or something. But my favorite color is green, you guys. Put in the comments below what your favorite color is. Okay. I think this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I don't care. like subscribe. If you subscribe and you see that little bell right there, press on it so you'll see my videos really fast. So see you guys next time. Okay, and hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys next time. Bye.